Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to dispose the used engine oil so you can dispose it safely. Alright, so here I have my old oil, so I just put it back in the same container, and I'm here at the Home Depot. I'm just going to return it right here. Excuse me, how can I dispose the used oil? If there's like a container or something where I can just put the used oil?
Oh, no, we have just for every golden plastic for disposal. So, so let me ask.
Okay.
We don't recycle oil.
But you guys, you sell oil, right?
We sell oil.
Okay, the mechanic shop, they just told me just go to Home Depot. They'll take care.
The mechanics don't give you wrong information.
Okay.
But let me ask. I'm going to ask somebody else.
Okay.
Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. I'm a human being, right?
Yeah.
So let me ask. If I'm right there, if I'm right.
Okay.
But I've never seen it.
I got it.
Let me check.
Oh, you guys take it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go over to the end of the store. You see two rentals?
To rental? Okay.
Yeah, give it to them.
To get them? Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate
All
it.
right. Yes, sir.
Hi guys.
What's up, boss?
Good. I just want to give this is the used oil.
I see.
You take it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay. Appreciate it.
That's old oil, right?
Yeah, old. Yeah,
Okay.
this one. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, as you see, I just disposed the used oil here at Home Depot. So yeah, don't throw it out, don't throw it in the water drains. Just take it to Home Depot. Alright, that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.